that we are tracking coming in at this point of time. A fresh bomb threat has been received at a school in northeast Delhi and Noida. Investigation is underway by the police and the bomb squad, while the SOP is being followed by the authorities. As this morning the fresh bomb threat has been received. Two schools, Shiv Nadar School in Noida and the other school in East Delhi, Mayur Vihar's area of Alcohol International School, have received. These two schools are one of the in fact East Delhi region schools in the national capital that have received the bomb threat today. While the bomb squad, fire brigade and dog squad teams are checking the school premises, there have been letters that have been issued by the school authorities to send back the students for the parents. The cyber team is also investigating the email that has been received by the school authority, while the Noida police has requested public to not pay heed to these rumors and maintain peace. Alright viewers, as in fact you can see, this is the mail that will be put out on your screens in just a minute of the bomb threat that was received by the parents. This is the email that the Shiv Nadar school has sent to the parents after the bomb threat email was received by the school authorities. Now let's also take a look at this email now. Shiv Nadar school parents have received this email from the school authorities. Shubh Rana is joining me live on the broadcast. Shubh, what is the in fact measure that has now been taken by the police, the administration and also the school staff at the Shiv Nadar school and the Alcohol International School? Apart from that, St. Stephen College has also received a fresh bomb call. What has been in fact the inquiry so far? Has the bomb squad team been able to get a hold of anything and get an evidence into what led to this threat early morning?
Absolutely, yes, Simran. We are reporting from the St. Stephen's College and I would like to show you the visuals over here. As you can see, the entry is not permitted to any outsider, but the students who have been already in the premises, they have been asked to either come into ground or to move here from the university. The university is closed for today, and I would like to show you the visuals over here. The gate is closed and students are being coming out from this particular premises only, and this is St. Stephen's College. At 7:40 a.m. what we are learning at this point of time, Simran, is the email which has been received to this university claiming that there has been a bomb, although you can see that there have been Delhi police vans, there have been installed for the checking, and bomb squad team is also there in the St. Stephen's College. Students are sitting in the gardens. They have been forced to evacuate from the university building, and Simran, as you can see also, there has been Delhi police buses installed in the campus, and there have been investigation which is being carried out in the college. Students are being told to go outside, and you can also see students are being standing outside the premises. And this is not the first time when such case has happened, because earlier also a call, email threat was received to the schools, and this time Elcon Public School and the Shiv Nadar School is one of the schools, and this St. Stephen's College is one of the Delhi universities, a college which have been receiving such type of threats, although the investigation is carrying out. But till now there have been no information, although I would like to also show you the visuals. Police has been also tracking here. They have been continuously, going through these roads. If there is no such information received as of now, the investigation is still carried out. And what we are tracking at this point of time, the bomb squad team is inside the premises and they have been investigating. But till now, there have been no clue found of any bomb inside the premises. Yes, back to you.
All right, Shubh, thank you very much for sharing these details. Now from the St. Stephen College, my colleague has shown you the ground report and the reality from which in fact the authorities, the police and the bomb squad team are present on the ground to ascertain what has caused this stir in the early morning hours. Meanwhile, from another region in Noida, DCP of Noida Ram Badan Singh has spoken on the bomb threat call. Let's in fact listen in.
एक सूचना मिली थी शिवनागर स्कूल से 8:08 बजे करीब कि यहाँ पर बम की सूचना है। इस पर तुरंत हमारा सारे शाम मैं एडिशनल हमारे डीसीपी, एसीपी, बम डिस्पोजल और डॉग स्क्वाड, फायर सर्विस सभी लोग आए और इसे थारोली चेक कर लिया गया। कहीं कुछ नहीं मिला है। ये एक गलत सूचना जो स्वयं कॉल आती है, तो ईमेल आता है, उसके द्वारा ये आई थी। और इस समय एग्जाम भी चल रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है किसी बच्चे वगैरह की भी शरारत होगी, पर फिर भी इसे हम सीरियसली ले रहे हैं और इसका पता लगा रहे हैं।
सर, सर्वर के लिए साइबर टीम को लगा दिया गया है?
हाँ, लग गई है टीम। जैसे ही आई सबसे पहले वही सूचना भेजी गई, उधर साइमल्टेनियसली यहाँ चेकिंग भी शुरू कर दी गई।
सर, कुछ वैसे ही मेल है जिस तरीके का अभी कुछ दिन पूर्व दिया गया था, ये इससे अलग है?
नहीं, ये इससे अलग है और बहुत अजीब टाइप का है और इसमें जैसे साउथ इंडियन टाइप का कुछ लिखा हुआ है, पर वो तो आगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पता चल रहा है।
Now viewers, our focus remains on the top developing